I'm Dr. Kiana Frank,
And I'm Dr. Amy Gartman.
and we're going to show you how to sample microbes.
In aquatic environments.
Now, most of you probably think that water and aquatic environments look like this, but they really look like... See, our water systems are not clear. They're full of microbes. All of these tiny little fruits, which represent different sizes of microbes, are what's in our waterways. A teaspoon of this water contains about 1 million microbes. So the way that we sample for microbes is very straightforward. We have a sterile jar, no microbes in here, sampling device, and we basically go out, we open the bottle, no fingers, no hands, and we fill it up with samples. And we take it back to the lab.
Back to the lab.
And we're going to analyze all of the microbes that are existing in this sample. So because the microbes are live, they're still growing, they're still eating, so we need to put this baby on ice until we get back to the lab.